Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, if you're returning, welcome back. I wanted to quickly come and share with you a recent stay that I had at the Central at 5th by Hilton Club in New York City. This is a brand new hotel opened about 2 years ago, located in Midtown Manhattan, and it's walking distance to everything you would want to see and do in New York City. I don't know about you, but I find it pretty hit or miss to find decent hotels in New York City, even when reading reviews. But this hotel was exceptional. It exceeded my expectations in every way. So I just thought I'd share some of the highlights of my stay with you. Let me start by saying that this hotel gets a 10 for cleanliness. Our room was spotless and the common areas are immaculate. And this hotel smells absolutely wonderful, from the lobby to the elevator to our room. There are just wonderful aromas everywhere. This is a Studio King room, which I believe is the smallest room on the property, but even by New York standards, this is a decent sized room. As you can see, the bathroom had ample counter space. All of the rooms have the Toto toilets with the bidet, which is a really nice touch. The shower was huge and the water pressure was great. One of the things I loved about this room is that it did not have any gross, nasty carpet. I wish more hotels would do this. Get rid of that gross carpet and those shower tub combos that don't drain properly. This hotel is, like I said, only 2 years old, so everything is very new and modern. And this was one of the most comfortable beds I've ever slept in. This is one of 2 outdoor patio areas on the property, and the weather was actually really nice during my stay, so I was able to enjoy these areas. One of the best parts of the stay is that the staff here is absolutely phenomenal. From the front desk to the concierge to the valet to the cleaning people, everyone was just so welcoming and so friendly. They're always helpful and willing to go above and beyond anything that you need. And to me, that's just as important as the room itself, is that when the staff is nice and friendly and helpful. This was on our last day. We were enjoying breakfast out on this second floor patio, which was great. There aren't any restaurants or a bar on the property, but there are restaurants literally right outside the door. We actually went to happy hour at a really nice one called Benny John's Bar and Grill, and just like in the hotel, everyone was so warm and friendly there. I love smaller boutique hotels. I'm not a fan of large hotels, so this suited my needs perfectly. It's not the largest or the fanciest, but in terms of the modernness, the cleanliness, and just the exceptional staff, this was a 10 for me. So if you're traveling to New York City and looking for accommodations, you should definitely consider the Hilton Club, the Central at 5th. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.